Well, okay. Ito pong off-season na to medyo mahaba-haba. So madami po kaming time to improve on what we can improve and daming siguro mga tune-up games and siguro nag-add pa kami po ng mga players. Si Kuya Stan was able to get some time and join us. So I think as a team we improved and also individually and collectively as a team this off-season we were able to use it to improve.
Yung Stanley ba, do you feel na parang ito yung missing piece nyo? Seasoned player, alam naman natin yung kalibre ng Stanley.
Yes, napakalaking bagay po ni Kuya Stan sa amin, especially kaming mga bata na pwedeng kulitin siya for lessons, for tips. Yun nga po, sabi mo, yung experience niya, winning experience niya, yung steady presence niya sa loob, sa court, and yung veteran leadership niya. Malaking bagay po for us. And hopefully, sana po, tama yung sinabi mo na siya yung missing piece. And hopefully, as a group, manalo po kami this coming conference para maging first championship ni Coach Sheng sa All Filipino.
Gian, pinili ka niya ng team captain.
Aba.
What does that mean to you? Na mga veterano?
Aba. Well, unang-una, really big shoes to fill. Especially coming off yung leaders na susundan ko are the two siguro best people or leaders this organization or siguro even better the league has ever seen or had, si Kuya Bo and si Kuya Gabe. So really big shoes to fill. Pero still, I consider myself very lucky kasi yun nga, sabi ko, ang captaincy usually nag-iiba yan pag nagre-retire yung player or nawawala na sa team. Pero ako ngayon, sa my case, nandito pa rin sila sa team, pwede ko pa rin silang takbuhan for help sa mga tulong na kailangan kong tulong and alam ko naman na always, lagi silang nandyan para tulungan ako. So, swerte rin ako na nandyan pa sila and grateful, really grateful for the trust ng coaches ko, ng teammates ko, and the whole organization. Aba. Siguro, halos pareho lang po kasi close naman kaming lahat and lahat naman pag may mali, we call out each other. Pag may nagagawang tama, pinupuri namin siya. So, technically, wala naman pong magbabago. Pero, syempre, pagdating sa mga kailangang ayusin, mga kailangan siguro syempre, ako na po ako nun. Kasi team captain, parang ginagawa ni na Kuya Bo and Kuya Gabe the past few years. Getting used to. Medyo mahihirapan po kasi lalo na gagaling mag-speech na to ni na Kuya Bo, ni na Kuya Gabe. Alam mo, pag nagsalita talagang lahat makikinig. So, hopefully, mahigitan ko pa yon or at least ma-match ko yun. Well, ang pinakagustong advice ko po na nakuha is just be yourself, sabi nila. Kasi siguro ganun kalaki yung tiwala nila sa akin na may siguro natural leadership daw. And siguro I'll listen to that advice and hopefully maganda yung kalabasan nitong conference or season sa amin. Thank you po. Salamat. Thank you.